Alright guys, so welcome back everybody. Again, new week, new donation. We helping in Africa this time. So thank you so much for watching, subscribing. This is Cryptophil and I have a love for crypto. A lot of times I'm losing money, but a lot of times I'm making some money. And I'm trying to give back every single week, okay? And this happened for the last 7 months. Now, thank you for everybody who did some donation. Thank you so much. And thank you for the person who is doing this video. So what we did this time, I'm finding amazing people who trying to help me. I'm sending some money for them and also to help some other people. So this time, this guy bought a food. He cooked at home, homemade food. He make a lot of bags with food, and he went on the street and share with poor people. Look how real it is. This is not like professional, no, this is straight up on the street in Africa, okay? So that's what we're doing, that's how we're helping. Also, if you think you can help, let me know. Let me know. I'm more than happy to help you and you can help somebody else. Thank you so much for watching. Spend 5 minutes of your time. And don't forget, guys, more you give is more you receive is everything in life. Thank you. Have a great day.